Hello everyone, welcome to my channel.
Greeting. Greeting is an action that you show when you meet someone, such as waving or hugging. Greeting is also a word you say when you meet someone, such as saying hello. Greeting phrases. Number one, hi. Hi Len, how are you? Fine, thanks. And you? I'm fine. Number two, good day. Good day. Good day to you. How's everything? Great. Number three, good morning. From 5 a.m. to 12 p.m. Good morning, Sarah. How is it going? I'm just fine, Alex. Thank you. Number four, good afternoon. From 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. Good afternoon, Brett. How are you? So, thanks. Number five, good evening. From 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. Good evening, Jennifer. Hi, Jack. How are you? I'm okay, thank you. Number six, hello. Hello, Mrs. Ota. Hello, Mr. Miller. How is it going? Great. Thanks for watching.